Love these stabilizer jacks.
I thought since we were staying 2 nights, I should put the panel out, keep the Ecoflow charged. And we used 10% of our battery coming down here. It was about 200 miles. And so it was about 3.5 hours. We've got 37, 38. Sometimes it hits 40 coming in. There's 0 going out right now from the fridge. And when the fridge does use it, it uses about 36 watts. So we should be good for 2 days. Look who came with me, you all. My beautiful bride. Well, it's time we go down here and see the beach. See where I want to put the kayak in. All right. Star's leading the way. You guys know Star had to come with us, right? You're not going to leave Star at home. Oh yeah, a little raft down here. And I guess once you go out so far, this drops off pretty good. Oh yeah, it's nice, sandy. Wonder how cold it is. Is it cold, Sadie? Oh, that is warm. At least it is up here. It looks like there's a barge down there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Isn't that warm? You going swimming? She's having fun, I know that. Beautiful down here. Now, I was told that they recently caught a 5-foot catfish out of here in this area. It weighed 100 pounds. So that catfish eats you, Star. And then we brought our other one. He's right here. There's Sadie. Let us adventure over here. See what's over here, Star. Another little landing. There is three campsites on this property. One is a cabin. We have the pavilion, and there is a tent site. Of course, the tent site is cheaper. With the pavilion, you get a kayak. And with the cabin, you have to bring your own kayaks. So we will be having fun. There's my kayak. The set on top. That's the kind I prefer, the set on top. That's a nice one. I was also told there's all kinds of driftwood laying around. We were welcome to harvest and burn that. We have a huge steak for tonight, and tomorrow we're just going to eat light. There's a long one. A couple of football fields anyway. I don't know whether you can hear me with this wind. I hope it's okay. I'm trying to block it. Well, I think I'm going to get our steak seasoned. I got some onion powder right here. We'll go ahead and put some onion powder on it. Mama can't have a lot of salt, but the doctor told her that quality of life is what counts, so she can do what she wants. And She's probably been having more salt than she should, but this thing is about, I would say, what, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 thick. Some garlic. And put some on the end down here. Pepper. This is not all the way thawed out in the center. So I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a pretty nice looking steak if you ask me. I have made me a little log cabin. I got plenty of kindling. So we're going to get the fire going. We need the fire to cook down to some coals so we can make our steak. It's too hot for a fire, but we need a fire. So my friend Jamie got me this from Lower Michigan Adventures, and it's worked really good every time I've tried it. Got a little bit of fat wood on there. Some nice dry kindling. This is going to have to probably burn for about an hour to get some good coals to make our steak. Otherwise, I would wait until later. See if I can burn 3 or 4 pieces of nice wood. Here we go. So far down here we have found some elderberries. Oops, that one just fell off. They're good. And there's also pawpaws down here. So, yeah, nice place. We'll let that fire burn down right there, and then we'll get our steak on. Another 35-40 minutes. And it's going to take 20 to 30 minutes probably to get that cooked all the way through. That's going to be good. It's a ribeye is what it is. A huge ribeye. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's looking pretty darn good. Trying to keep that fire off of it, but that fat's going down there and stoking it up. Well, that's for the princess. Mushrooms, steak, and shrimp. We're going carnivore tonight. We do carnivore once in a while. We'll have carbs tomorrow. Well, y'all, we've had a nice, beautiful day here today. And I've got a dog going crazy. I've never seen her act like this, to be honest with you. I think it's the water. She's finally getting to where she loves the water. She found out she's not going to get hurt with the water. But we've had a beautiful day here today on the banks of the Ohio. And got my GoPro over here taking a time lapse of the sunset. And we've had barges floating by, and it's been an awesome day. I don't know what else to say about it. Tomorrow we're going to get up and have a nice breakfast and let our food settle, and then we're going to go do some hiking. We're going to try to find the Buckeye Trail. I understand it's just a few miles down the road, so, but I understand it too. It might be too challenging. So for Connie, Star is completely soaked. She is completely soaked. I've never seen her get all the way in before, but yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. This is going to be my last clip for tonight, but thanks for coming along. We'll see you tomorrow.